are at the 10th edition of IEIA Open Seminar at the BIEC Bangalore. So we have with us Mr. Sumit Joshi. Could you please introduce yourself? First of all, welcome to this interview, and how are you feeling, and could you please introduce yourself?
Thank you so much, and I am very pleased to come here. My name is Sumit Joshi, and I am heading Marketing and Sales Division at Jaipur Exhibition Convention Center, Jaipur.
So we are in this 10th edition or 10th year of this open seminar. What exactly happened today, and what was the idea behind having this seminar?
See, it's a very fantastic day today, and it's a seminar to come together all the event industry players and stakeholders, and basically the networking kind of thing. So where we can interact with each other and understand what they are going through and what they are expecting from each other to come out strongly in any situation like this.
So what difference do you find in the seminar right now, as in this year, and the ones that happened before?
So the major difference is this is after COVID, after 2 years. Earlier it happened over a virtual edition, and after 2 years, this is it happened on physical, and lot of discussion over the COVID-19 and how every individual went through this tough time and about the industry and all. So this is the major difference between earlier edition and this edition.
What is the future of exhibitions in India now that after pandemic? How do you gain trust of the distributors and the customers, because this is a people's industry?
Yeah, see, as we heard and as we have learned from the seminar, that after every challenges, we are coming brighter and brighter with due respect with the stakeholders and all, and every industry stakeholders supporting each other. So we are seeing industry stakeholders coming strongly after this COVID-19 and supporting each other, and they are also understanding because they are all going through the same situation. So we all are supporting each other, and we are coming strongly, and definitely future is bright. That is the reason we are meeting together and discussing on every aspects of industry.
What's the new protocol that exhibitions will be following?
The new protocol is followed by all the industries, like wearing the mask and everything, and digital also is playing very important role if coming considering COVID-19 and the protocol. So both the things will go simultaneously according to protocol perspective we have to follow, and physical plus digital. Yes.
What are the challenges that the manufacturers are facing now after the pandemic?
See, after the pandemic, all materialization things and production things, rates are increased and all. This is the major things when we are approaching any exhibition organizers or any exhibitors to participate. So this is their major concern. Rates are gone high because of the COVID issues and other factors. So this is the thing.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us. All the best in your future.